Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're spreading our wings and diving into the vibrant world of parrots. Get ready to be amazed by some fascinating facts about these colorful birds. Let's start by meeting our stars of the show, parrots. These charismatic birds are known for their bright plumage, curved beaks, and incredible intelligence. Did you know that there are over 350 different species of parrots found all around the world? One of the most striking features of parrots is their vivid colors. From vibrant reds and blues to dazzling yellows and greens, parrots come in a rainbow of hues that help them blend into their tropical surroundings. Parrots are incredibly smart birds, capable of solving puzzles, mimicking human speech, and even using tools. Some species, like the African gray parrot, have been known to learn hundreds of words and phrases. When it comes to food, parrots have a diverse diet that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, and even the occasional insect or small animal. Their strong beaks are perfectly adapted for cracking open nuts and seeds. Parrots are also highly social birds, often forming close bonds with their flock mates and human companions. They communicate with each other through a range of vocalizations, including squawks, chirps, and whistles. And there you have it, some fun facts about parrots. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible birds. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts and adventures. Thanks for watching.